Imagine holding a silver box in the palm of your hand that is more powerful than a $3,000 professional workstation. For years, this was nothing more than a tech enthusiast's dream. It seemed physically impossible to pack that much raw power into something so small. But in 2026, the rules of physics are being rewritten. The tech world is about to be turned upside down. This is the story of the M5 Mac Mini. It is the machine that is officially ending the era of the giant desktop tower. People are calling it the Mac Studio Killer. And for the first time in history, that title is actually earned. For over a decade, the Mac Mini had a very specific reputation. It was the budget Mac. It was the cheap option for students or people who just wanted to check emails. It sat quietly in home offices or was tucked away in dark server closets. It was never the star of the show. No one expected it to be a powerhouse. But in late 2024, everything changed with the M4 redesign. That was a warning shot. Now, Apple is ready to drop the hammer. The M5 Mac Mini is not just a yearly update. It is a massive leap forward that has professional video editors and 3D artists freezing their budgets. People are refusing to buy the more expensive Mac Studio models right now because they know what is coming. They know the M5 is about to destroy the definition of a budget computer. Why is this happening now? Most computers face a massive wall called thermal throttling. When chips get powerful, they get very hot. To stay cool, they usually need giant, loud fans and huge power supplies. This is why professional PCs are usually massive towers that take up half your desk. Apple is doing the opposite. They are shrinking the brain of the computer while making it exponentially stronger. The M5 chip is built on a highly refined 3nm process. This pushes the limits of what silicon can actually do. The headline feature here is the graphics power. We are looking at a 45% jump in GPU performance compared to last year. In the world of tech, a 10% jump is considered good. A 45% jump is a total revolution. If you work with 8K video or complex 3D renders, your life is about to change. This tiny box is entering a direct fight with high-end dedicated graphics cards that are 5 times its size. But there is a catch. With this much power, the price tag is finally changing. For years, the Mac Mini was the most affordable way to enter the Apple ecosystem. Those days are ending. Apple is moving its entire production line for the Mac Mini to a state-of-the-art facility in Houston, Texas. This is a historic shift for a company that built its empire on global supply chains. They are moving away from the Made in China label for their most popular desktop. While this is great for quality control and avoiding international tariffs, American labor costs are much higher. The $500 Mac Mini is likely dead. We expect the new starting price to be $699. To make this easier for the public to swallow, Apple is finally doubling the base storage to 512 GB. They know they have to give you more if they are charging you more. But the real secret behind the M5 isn't just raw speed, it is artificial intelligence. We are entering the era of the true desktop AI. Apple Intelligence is no longer just a marketing buzzword. The neural engine in the M5 is rumored to be 4 times faster than the M4. This isn't about making a voice assistant better or fixing your typos. It is about real-time generative tasks that used to take hours. Imagine your computer upscaling grainy, old footage to 4,000 in seconds. Imagine generating entire 3D environments locally without needing a connection to a massive server farm. It all happens on your desk, right inside that silver box. This means your data stays private. It never leaves your home. Apple wants the M5 Mac Mini to be the literal brain of your smart home. They want you to have a supercomputer in your living room that handles your life without an internet connection. But how do they keep it cool? How do you put that much heat in a box the size of a book? The internal redesign is brilliant. They are using thermal pillars and something called 2.5D packaging technology. This tech separates the CPU and GPU into different physical tiles. Instead of one massive hotspot in the center of the chip, the heat is spread across the entire surface. This allows the Mini to run at professional speeds for hours without sounding like a jet engine taking off. You can record a professional podcast right next to it in total silence. The M5 Pro version is where the Studio Killer nickname really comes from. It uses Fusion architecture. This tech bonds two pieces of silicon together, so they act as one giant chip. The memory bandwidth is expected to hit 300 gigabytes per second. To put that in perspective, that is faster than custom gaming rigs that cost $1,000. For gamers, this is finally the moment they have been waiting for. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing, this tiny box can run AAA games at high frame rates. It fits in your backpack, but it plays like a pro console. Even the storage is getting a massive boost. They are using a new SSD controller that doubles the speed of previous models. We are talking 14 gigabytes per second read speeds. Moving massive files will take seconds, not minutes. Your storage will feel as fast as your RAM. This move to Texas is more than just a business decision, it is a symbol of a new era. Apple is signaling that the Mac Mini is no longer a secondary device for the budget crowd. It is the centerpiece of their entire lineup. It is the most efficient use of space and power ever designed by human beings. Unless you need 20 different ports for a massive studio setup, the M5 Mini does everything the Mac Studio does for half the price. It is the undisputed king of the desktop. If you want to know where the future of computing is headed, look at this silver box. It proves you don't need a giant tower to change the world. It is small, it is powerful, and it is American-made. The M5 Mac Mini is the future, and the future is finally here. In my opinion, the M5 Mac Mini is the most important hardware release of the decade. We are watching Apple effectively democratize elite performance. By moving production to the US and implementing Fusion architecture, they are creating a product that is both a political and a technological statement. It makes the Mac Studio redundant for almost everyone except the top 1% of power users. If you are a creator, a gamer, or a professional, this is the smartest purchase you can make in 2026. It is rare to see a product actually live up to the hype, but this box does it. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.